everyone, this is Jake from Hexagon Media Group and Hexagon Tech Tips, and welcome to another unboxing video. Happy New Year, everyone. This is the first unboxing video of 2020 and the first video of 2020. Today is January 3rd, Friday, January 3rd, 2020. So, in this video I am unboxing the Logitech multi-device K780. Which is compatible with the Windows, Mac, ChromeOS, Android, and iOS. Which should work on my desktop, my laptop, my iPhone, and my MacBook. So yes, now this was purchased at Best Buy on the 23rd, the date of this recording. As we can see, Quavio and Sphere wireless keyboard. So yes, it's got a OS adaptive one, integrated phone and tablet stand, very nice. And I also got the extended replacement on it from Best Buy, which is great. 2 years for $10. So yeah, definitely worth it. Normally I don't go for the extended warranties, but in this case, I did, because supposedly this thing fails within 2 years of it, and I can get replacement of with any keyboard. So of course, you know, as seen by the previous video, where I showed off this, which goes to my MacBook. I love the Logitech family of products. So very reliable. And now I finally have my keyboard. This my old keyboard that originally came with my computer, which was the Acer keyboard, went out on the 23rd of December 2019. So now I am unboxing this one. So now let's switch this back around and see what's inside, eh? Oh, very nice. Very nice. Let's get the instructions are printed on this. Okay, there is the important safety, compliance, and warranty information strip. I'll read that later and save it. This seems to be the connector thing with unifying and with the Bluetooth adapter. So I'll just set that aside and let's see what we have here. Gotta protect the sleeve over it, so I will take this sleeve off here and see what it is. I will also be reviewing this in a month, so on February 3rd, which is a Monday, I will be doing a 1 month review video. So let's see here, take that there. Let's see how this thing works. Okay, so let's see here. 1, 2, 3. See how this is gonna set up here. This should eliminate a lot of my keyboards. So let's see, 1, 2, 3. Here we go. So let's see here. And now let's get this set up for my computer. Sorry, we don't have anything on screen. So yeah, let me get back to you whenever I get this thing loaded on my computer, so yes. Okay, so I'm back here with the setup. I know this is not the best screen recording, but let's see here, opening up the notepad here and opening this up. I connected it via Bluetooth, so let's see here. That should open up the start menu, yep, so let's see here. Okay. Oh yeah, I gotta hold it down. Okay, here we go. Just 1 bit of delay. What has God Wow. Okay, so yes, and just, I'm not going to explain it, but if anyone knows what the symbolism behind that is, let me know down in the description below. There's a little Easter egg. But yes, it's like, I like this because it actually tells me on screen if the catwalk is on or not. Number lock. And, yeah. So, that's good. Now I will set, and it's also nicely, if I can get this set up, so I'll set it back up in just a moment. Okay, so I'm back, and now right here, it actually has the command key for the Mac, which I will connect via Bluetooth for this, and take off the old keyboard, and which will be nice. So let's see, I'll set that up in just a moment. Let me just get this thing set up on all three of my things here. So let's see here, going on my Mac, actually no, my laptop. Man, I am off today bad. That's what happens when you record on the day before Christmas Eve at 7 o'clock at night. So yes, I'll be right back whenever this happens. So yes. Okay, so I'm back. Unfortunately, it would not. I still have to figure out why it won't connect to my MacBook, but I'll probably get the a unifying receiver for the MacBook, just so I can get a standard USB connection to it, and do the same thing with the Logitech mouse here. But in the meantime, I got my the M310 on that one, whereas this is the M720 here. So yes, now I have all Logitech mouse and the Logitech keyboard. So now let's just switch it back to the second one, and it should pop on screen here. Yep, it definitely works, so that's a good thing. So what I'm planning on doing is, unfortunately, I'm going to have to retire the Acer keyboard because it no longer works. So, get that started. So, yeah, I will be reviewing this video in a month. So, on Monday, February 3rd, 2020, I will be updating for this. Well, it will be found here on the main channel. So, if you want to check that out, make sure you like the video, subscribe to our channel, click the notification bell to be notified when that video comes out and when all the other videos come out. So, yeah. So, thanks for watching, everyone. And make sure you check us out on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram for more information on this video and everything like that. So, thanks for watching, everyone. And I hope everyone has had a wonderful holiday and a wonderful New Year so far. Thanks for watching. Thanks.